Namaste, myself Kumari Gegul Lego of class 8 of Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya in Kyong. Today I am going to tell a story, and the name of my story is The Proud Rose. Once upon a time there was a rose who was very proud of her beautiful looks. Her only disappointment was that she grew next to an ugly cactus. Every day the rose would insult the cactus for her looks, while the cactus stayed quiet. All the plants in the garden tried to make her see sense, but she was so sweet of her looks. One summer, the well present in the garden grew dry, and there was no water for the plants. The rose feeling wilt. Suddenly she saw a bird dip her beak into the cactus for some water. The rose was also need some water. Through shame, she asked the cactus, "Cactus, can you give me some water?" The kind cactus readily agreed, and in that summer they become good friends. The moral of the story is never judge someone by their look. Thank you.